Hey, welcome back. So far, you've built pages with Buddy, edited them, generated images, and attached your data sources. Now, look at this section. Real products, real prices. And you might be thinking, is this just placeholder data? It's not. These are your real products coming straight from your store dashboard. Think of it this way. Your dashboard is the warehouse, and the builder is the shop window. Every store has two sides. From your shops page, just hover over any store card and you'll see two buttons: Builder, where you design, and Dashboard, where your products, orders, and customers live. Let's open the dashboard. This is mission control. Orders, customers, analytics, coupons, staff, settings, everything you need to run the store. But today, we're focused on three things: products, categories, and catalogs. So let's start right here. This is your full product list: prices, stock, and a status toggle to show or hide any product instantly. Let's make a change. I'll open Dewy Moisture Cream and drop the price from $38 to $32. Save. Now remember that name and that price. We're coming back to it in just a minute. Now, the important part: how your products get organized. Categories group similar products together, like gold nameplates or birthstone accents. But catalogs are where it gets powerful. A catalog is a hand-picked set of products or of entire categories. Look at this best sellers catalog, 5 products. And that exact catalog is what powers the best sellers section on your homepage. Catalogs are the bridge between your dashboard and your storefront. Let's prove it. Back in the builder, and there it is. Dewy Moisture Cream, $32. We never touched the page. We changed the data, and the storefront just followed. This grid is showing top categories. Switch it to Daily Essentials, and it's applied instantly. No regenerating, no rebuilding. Same design, different data, one click. Adding a brand new dynamic block works 2 ways. First, click the plus icon, attach the catalog, category, or product you want, then just tell Buddy to build a section with it. Or second, open blocks, go to products, pick the AI block, choose your catalog, hit the AI icon, and describe how you want it to look. Same result. Use whichever one fits how you work. Now, your homepage isn't the only page Orderain builds for you. Here's your products page. You didn't build this, it came with the store. And click any product for the full details page: the gallery, the description, add to cart, and down here, your reviews. Now, this reviews section works, but it's a little plain. So let's redesign it. I'll target it with Buddy and ask for card-style reviews. 1 card per review with the star rating and the reviewer's name. Let's see. Not quite what I expected. Let me explain it a little better this time. So, vertical cards, kind of like the way Pinterest lays out images. Just a moment. And there it is. We'll hit Keep It. Same page, better design, 1 sentence. So that's the loop. Manage your data in the dashboard, tweak the design with Buddy, and every page stays in sync. Every product you have with filters and sorting ready to go. Click any category and it gets its own page. Same products, filtered automatically. Next video, SEO, favicons, and the version history that lets you experiment without fear. See you there!